Back to my YouTube channel. So in this video today, I want to show you how to mine free metro coin how to mine free metro coin on your phone. And what is metro coin? What is metro coin? This platform name, this app name is called Metro Network, and I'm going to show you how to register, how to download the app, and what to do, some other things you need to do on this app. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how to make your withdrawal. So also right now, let me teach you how to start with this app. Firstly, what is Metro Network? Metro Network is a decentralized platform for a thriving gaming community that supports multiple games and apps based on the blockchain. Yes, based on the blockchain. Metro Network has its own native currency called Metro Token. Yes, and that is what we want to mine. Metro Token. This is Metro Token. It can also be called Metro Coin. So right now, as you can see, I am mining currently on this app. I am mining currently on this app. So if you want to join this app and start mining right now, I will show you how to withdraw. You can withdraw to your Trust Wallet, to your MetaMask. So, but before that, let me show you how to do some things on this app. So, first thing you need to do is to go to your Play Store or your Apple Store. If you did not see it on your Apple Store or your Play Store, then you can click here. Click here to download, to go into the Metro Network official page. So when you go into the official page, you will see a link to download it if you did not see it on Apple Store or Play Store. Let me go to Play Store and search it for you first. So I'm on Play Store right now. Metro Store. So as you can see, I search for Metro Store mining. So you click on it. As you can see, I have already installed it already before. So all you need to do is to install your own. Install it. This is it. This is the app. Install it. So after you install it, you will, and you want to register, you are going to click on I'm a new user. So after you click on I'm a new user, then you will do the sign up there. You will do the sign up, and it will take you to this page here, and your Metro coin here would be like 0.00 so something there, current balance. So all you need to do is to click on this hammer sign here. Click on it and it will start mining. But before that, you need to do something. You need to do something. You need to verify your account. You need to verify your account. So let me show you that account. Either you click on wallet or you click on withdrawal. So let's click on wallet right now. So when you click on wallet up here, click on this wallet. So it will take you to a page here like this. It will take you to a page here like this. As you can see, my account is approved. Account approved. So in your own, you will see verify account here. So all you need to do is to click on it and follow the instruction there. So I think they will send you a message in your, I think, in your email. So go there and copy the message and use it. Just verify it. Just verify it. So that is all on how to verify your account. How to verify your account. Verify your account. The next step to do is to click on my reference. You can even do this before you verify your account, but I prefer verify your account before you do this. Click on my reference team here. Click on it. So when you click on that, copy this code you are seeing here. this code you are seeing here, just click on, just copy, or you don't need to copy itself. Just go to my reference, go to my reference. So when you are on my reference, click on this referral code. The reason why you should use this code is that they will give you 25% uh, to continue mining, 25% mining rate speed, and they will also give you free uh MTR, that is free token. They will also give it to you. So all you need to do is to click on like this 090154, then click on approve, click on approve. So immediately you click on approve, then immediately your this thing, they will give you free coin here, free MTR coin here, free token, free metro token. They will give it to you for free. So that is how to get for fast speed mining and how to get a free token. So the next thing is to, this is your mining button. So in 24 hours you'll be clicking on this mining button here, mining button here in 24 hours. So that is all. Thank you. That is all for watching. That is how everything work. You can go to their market and search for different some things there. You can search for booster if you want to boost your mining rate. If you want to boost your mining rate, you go to their market here and search for it. Currently it will show to you in your country currency, in your country currency. I'm a Nigerian, so it's showing to me in naira, in Nigeria currency. You estimated, as you can see here, if you want to boost your mining by 2000 times booster in 24 hours, your estimated earning after 24 hours will be 55.881 metro, and the price is 530 naira. If you want, that means if you want, but if you don't want, you can keep on uh, mining those free coin. You can keep on mining, but if you want to mine more higher, then you can come here to their marketplace and boost your mining rate, and boost your mining rate. This is not just boosting once in a day. When you purchase it forever. When you purchase their mining rate, you purchase it forever. Purchase it forever, and it will keep on mining for you. For example, let's say you purchase this of 4530 on here, you'll be getting about 684 MTR token every single day, every day, for 4530. If you purchase this one, all you need to do is to just click on the button, and it will direct you to the page where you're going to make the payment to make your purchase, either with your debit card. Just add your debit card or your credit card to make your payment. So that is all there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In my next video about this platform, I am going to show you how to withdraw this metro coin you are seeing here, how to withdraw it to your trust wallet or your MetaMask. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribing button so that you will not miss the notification when I upload the video. You will not miss the opportunity. So guys, thank you for watching, and see you soon on my next video. Goodbye for now. Keep on mining.